I just got this in the mail from my friends at GoPro. It's the Jaws Flex Clamp. So I'm going to open it up and get a good look at it. So there you go. You got a standard little clamp, swivel pressure points, and the slide in. This is the flexible extender, and that's really cool. It's very, very sturdy. You'd probably be able to use this not only on the clamp but on a helmet mount. I'm gonna love this thing. The clamp itself has a lot of good strength, and then there's this running through here that you could pull it tight, adjust it tighter for different size of pipes and objects that you're clamping onto. So it's very versatile. This table here is 1.5 inches thick. As you see, it has the range to clamp onto that easily. It probably could go 2 inches. I guess I should show you where the camera goes. Not that it's not obvious. Just click it in. Adjust it any way you like. Very sweet. Very sweet product by GoPro.